friends, here's some mittens with some objects on top of it. Here's a monkey in the zoo. This one's called At the Zoo. Here's one that's called In the Ocean, On the Farm, and In the Forest. And you're welcome to cut them apart or leave them the way it is. And then there's all kinds of mitten here with different animals on it. And you have to decide where they go. For example, here's the cow. Does it go at the zoo, in the ocean, on the farm, or in the forest? So actually the cow could go for both. But right now I'd probably put it on the farm. Here's a pig. Where would that one go? Probably on the farm. Then there's the hedgehog. Where would that one go? In the forest. And here's others that you can decide where they go. You can cut these apart with an adult's help if you'd like. And then here's some more. A bear. Where would that one go? You decide. Have fun with this game, friends. Bye.